With IN Wayfinding Virtual Assistant, it becomes really easy to find your way in any hospital. Meet Lucy. She wants to visit her sister who has just given birth to a baby boy. Lucy is heading to the hospital. Once she arrives at the hospital, she does not know where the maternity unit is. Fortunately, an interactive orientation kiosk is available at the entrance. Lucy searches for the maternity unit in the directory. Its location and the path to get there are displayed on the screen. Thanks to the kiosk, Lucy sends by text message the trajectory to her phone. Or Lucy can scan the QR code on the screen with her phone. Then, the virtual assistant opens on her phone. Lucy follows the virtual assistant's instructions and heads to the maternity unit. Lucy is guided step by step to her destination. Thanks to the virtual assistant, Lucy was able to find her way with ease. Help your visitors find their way easily.